White card, gray card or color cards are light contaminated for post-production. As mentioned in Directivity White Balance Filter Introduction, the professional gray card, white card cannot be used to restore true colors in post-production faithfully. There are two optical physics application problems against using it. Problem number 1. The light source directions are wrong. The lights come from gray. White cards are the reflected lights which come behind the lens and above the camera body. They are not the ambient lights that the camera is taking photo with or from the scene that camera aiming at. With different light sources, it is more than natural that the average color temperature, color tone values are different from each other, front and behind. Problem number 2. All the colors on color cards are light contaminated under the ambient lights. Under the influence of light pollution, all the colors surfaces are light stained. The white on the color cards is yellowish or blue-white. The 18-degree gray looks like beige yellow soil or blue-tone dirt. These light stain white is no longer the pure white for color correction purpose. The polluted gray card is not the 18-degree gray under 6500K lighting. Therefore, you can use these non-standard white, gray colors in post-production to improve the terrible color cast photo taken under camera AWB. But you never be able to restore the on-site true color to the photo in post-production precisely. These following two color card photo were taken under 5700K ceiling LED lights. The left one was taken with camera auto white balance AWB. The right one was taken under manual white balance with DCC40 to calibrate the camera on-site white value to 0. Both were taken from the camera directly under the same lighting with the same camera and lens without any color modification. Ladies and gentlemen, you can see very clearly that all the colors on the left professional color card have been light stained. The gray color looks like yellowish dirt, the white color is more like rice white. In the same reason, all the white color on white papers or toilet papers are light contaminated under the ambient lights, and should not be used to calibrate the photo in post-production for satisfactory results. Therefore, it is impossible to restore true colors to a photo using professional white, gray cards in post-production. Of course, these extremely talented color artists are exceptional for the claim. On the right photo using DCC40 for camera calibration, the gray color is much close to 18-degree gray under 6500K lighting. The white color is white. Only the DCC40, with its unique scene range limitation and point-to-light collection features, can calibrate the on-site camera white value to 0 precisely. Once the camera white value is precisely calibrated to 0, billions of colors can be recorded and displayed in a photo precisely. The side-by-side comparison photo is the best proof towards the color card's light contamination problem for post-production purpose. Using the gray card, white card or without it, you can never restore the true colors to the photos in the post-production. That's the reason why we claim that the patented Directivity White Balance Filter is the best white balance tool in the world. With it, everyone can take color almost perfect photos and video from their camera and smartphone directly. For those photographers who prefer post-production works, the color almost perfect original footage, JPG or RAW, can save them ton of time while ease their jobs greatly. We can use the iPhone as a color meter to check and verify the existences of light contamination on gray card and white card. What color is the most beautiful and best looking? True color is the most beautiful. A little more is unacceptable. A little less is unacceptable too. What color is the most gorgeous? True color is the most gorgeous, imperfect. What color is the most attractive? True color always moves hearts. What color is the most valuable? True color is the most valuable. A little more or a little less is penniless. What color is most loved? True color pleases everyone. A little more or a little less always be despised by somebody. What color is the most remembrance-rich? Only true color can freeze the time and space, ignoring the passage of time. A little more or a little less color always a regret. What color is the most vigorous? Only true color can catch and display the vitality of the moment. Only true color can create the moment of such as the past day and such as spectacular. This is the highest level of photography. Raynauld, Directivity White Balance Filter, for true color only.